munching. Again, taking care of her own tip, checking her own tire pressure, filling up her own gas. She's doing well. Oh, here we go. Actual working process. First morning at Mudnet 2019. Hillarosa ATV park. Excuse me, I'm eating breakfast at the same time and doing this. Start things off right. Got in here late last night and got stuck right out there. And that was fun. Luckily we had a group of nice guys here from Arkansas that came out. Put together with some side-by-sides and a truck, and finally got the, well, we got the trailer. We unhooked the trailer. Got the truck out. Then we got the trailer out. That was fun. At least the truck made it out. Glad I decided to change out tires on it. Which definitely got some mock builds up under. It's alright. She looks good dirty. But we're gonna hit the trails here, even though mine's sorts of broken over there for right now. Big thank you to Brett at Solitude Customs for taking time out of your day yesterday to at least see what we could do to get it. We were just limited because parts that were needed to try anything out weren't available, and tried to get it over to a dealer to get it plugged into the computer to see if we can get a real diagnostic check on it, but we couldn't. So hopefully today we'll get up to the Polaris booth and have them plug it in and find out what might actually be going on with it, and if I can get the parts for it here at least by Friday or Saturday, get one day in, that'd be awesome. But it's hard to say. Worst case scenario, I'll ride on the back of that thing right there, and or I'll ride on the passenger of the Maverick that we're riding with today with Renard Rebel Riders, Limo Butter, and should be a good day. But we'll get some video out here soon of all the things going on. I'm going to get some drone footage. That's going to be good of some of the events going on today, and we'll go with that. Talk to y'all soon.